So as part of the finishing on this beautiful garment that we're making for La Fetiche, I make little button loops which come forward and go over little buttons that are put on the front. It's a really pretty and informal way of closing up a shoulder, or you can use it on the side of a garment in lots of different ways. So a little button loop, and the one that I've always made. I have my yarn, and I've got plenty of it, and I put it over my finger, three cast off stitches ahead. I push the needle down and I make a little loop like that. Then I come back through and make a second loop over the first, back down through the cast off stitch. So now I've got two little loops, the same size, and then I'm going to do quite simply blanket stitch. So I put the yarn around to the back like that, put the needle through the loop, through the yarn, and pull it tight with the top, the edge coming around the top of the button loop. So we'll just do that again. So yarn around, through the loop, and pull it tight. Yarn around, through the loop, through the yarn, pull it tight. And there you can see we've got these three little loops there with a very nice edge, which is going to sit to the outside of the loop when it's finished. And I just keep going. There we are. Until I've got right the way around. Trying to keep it nice and even. This pink is called Pink Zing, and it is quite extraordinary. It's in our beautiful Scottish Merino, so it's soft and bouncy. It's a 2-ply DK, and actually I'm absolutely thrilled that some of the designers that we work with are really embracing it, because it's from a regenerative farm, it's organic, it's grown here in Scotland, and it's got most amazing micron count, and the colours we've been able to achieve, because it's such a white fleece, they're just amazing. So here we are. So I'm round, just one more I think. And then I'm just going to put the thread back through there. Whoops, just take it over and pull it tight. And there we have this beautiful little button loop. And then I'm going to just skip along, going in and out to the next spot where I want to have my next button. I'm going to have 3 in total along here. And now I'm ready to make my next little loop. And this will just pop over like that. And we'll put just a really sweet little button in here. And I think that's really quite fab.